No New Year's Day to celebrate, no chocolate covered candy hearts to give away, no first of spring, no song to sing. In fact, here's just another ordinary day. I just called to say I love you. I just called to say how much I care. I just called to say I love you.